to now?
Well, I think he's 2 inches taller. Are you setting me? Should I have an announcement?
Well, we're not going to say show Saturday.
I should announce that my wife went to the grocery store, which was exciting because I'm a big snack time guy.
I think maybe he was referring to like the rotation of players.
Oh!
Starters.
Assume you evaluated Justin Fields ahead of the 2021 draft.
One could assume that safely. I get more sleep now than I did in my past endeavors. It's partially because it didn't matter. I used to be able to really push it from game day to almost Wednesday without showering. Now that would be obvious. I can't hide.